Country, Somalia. Continent, Horn of Africa. Capital, Mogadishu. Population, 17.07 million. Gross national income, $21.19 billion. Religion, Islam. Official languages, Somali and Arabic. Currency, Somali shilling. President, Hassan Sheikh Mohamud. Prime Minister, Hamza Abdi Barre. Famous people, Mohammed Siad, Mohammed Farmayo, Syed Abdullah, Mo Farah, Akram Afif, Ilhan Omar. Famous places, Ali Jaimali Mosque, Bosaso, Hammer, Kismail, Borta Sheikh, Jazeera, Lido, Mogadishu Stadium. National dishes, Moose, Buri, Anjira, Spaghetti, Malay, Halwa. What country next?